celebrated globally. However, his tenure has been marred by numerous accusations of authoritarianism and severe human rights abuses within Ethiopia. Critics argue that his government has suppressed dissent and targeted political opponents. Moreover, his policies have had a destabilizing effect on the entire Horn of Africa region, contributing to widespread instability and conflict. Ethiopia's military interventions in Somalia, often conducted under the guise of fighting terrorism, have resulted in significant civilian casualties and widespread displacement, further complicating the humanitarian situation. Furthermore, Ethiopia has been accused of backing Somali politicians and armed factions that serve its interests, thereby undermining Somalia's already fragile government and political stability. These actions have exacerbated existing tensions and hindered Somalia's path to recovery, creating a complex web of challenges for